Porsche Maestro 1275 SM sets a new standard in precision planting. With its seed-on-demand system and a massive 7,000 L fertilizer capacity, it's designed to optimize planting efficiency. The GPS-guided row-level shutoff ensures accurate seeding, reducing overlap and saving costs. Perfect for maximizing yield while minimizing environmental impact. Seco Duplex 900F is a powerhouse designed for modern farming challenges. Featuring cutting widths from 6.5 to 9.5 meters and equipped with hard-ox skids for adjustable cutting heights, this machine means business. Its hydraulic safety features and temperature-controlled oil cooler ensure reliability under any workload. Vitis Brassica Storage impressed by the Vitis Brassica Storage's ability to harvest cabbages with precision and care. The stainless steel blade and ingenious leaf removal system ensure perfectly cut cabbages, reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency. Ploger MKC4TR is a powerhouse in the field of spinach harvesting. With a 408 HP Deutz TCD 2015 V6 engine and hydrostatic drive speeds up to 25 km/h on the road and 7 km/h in the field, it's designed for maximum efficiency and productivity. The Anderson 680 chance bell wrapper stands out with its robust build and efficient performance. Designed for farms needing reliable bale wrapping, it handles up to 75 bales per hour of up to 6 feet tall. Featuring an aluminum film stretcher and options for 1 or 2 bale dump positions, it ensures flexibility in operation. With standard road lights and night work lights, it supports round-the-clock operations. Claas Xerion 4000 Yishtun Traxi Rasi. With a robust 325 horsepower engine and 4x4 traction, this tractor delivers unmatched power and performance. Whether you're cultivating fields or transporting goods, its speed capabilities of up to 50 km/h ensure swift operations. This Athena olive harvester is incredible. Forget climbing trees and shaking branches by hand. This machine looks like it can handle entire orchards with ease. Working speeds of up to 2 km/h and over 95% harvesting efficiency. Double Master's 4-inch sets a new standard in harvesting dry beans and peanuts. Featuring a 108 female pickup width, adjustable threshing system with a 48 cm diameter beater, and a spacious 3,000 km bunker, this harvester ensures thorough cleaning and high-capacity harvesting. Portec Ventum sets a new standard in harvesting technology. With a collection capacity over 50% greater than traditional machines, it features a vertical air tunnel for precise product selection and foreign body removal by weight. The innovative automatic packing and weighing system cuts down on collection times, enhancing overall efficiency. Ferrari FPC planting machine, a revolutionary tool for efficient planting. Equipped with a film laying system, it handles both polyethylene and biodegradable films with ease. The machine secures, perforates, and semi-automatically plants cube-shaped pressed pots, achieving an impressive average of up to 5,000 plants per hour per row. Transform your planting process with the Ferrari FPC and experience unmatched productivity and precision. Trilo BL960C emerges as a powerful and versatile blower, well-suited for a wide range of cleaning tasks. This powerhouse blower, compatible with 55 HP tractors, boasts a U960 Mimiormini fan in a centrifugal pump and a Walterscheid PTO shaft. The optional 180-degree reversible spout operated from the driver's seat makes cleaning a breeze. With large gauge wheels and an anti-scalp roller, it flawlessly follows the ground's contours, ensuring no damage. Oxbio 1089. The 1089 is the latest model of pea harvester from PMC, and it continues to set the standard for pea harvesting machinery. Available in two options: 6-wheel drive incorporating 4-wheel steering, or with driven rubber tracks on the front and a driven steered rear axle. The machine has the latest design cabin and PMC's new generation of monitoring and control system. PMC works closely with processors, growers, and machine operators to produce harvesters which maximize performance and delivers a high-quality end product as economically as possible. GF Dry Rake. By creating organized swaths, the GF Dry Rake paves the way for efficient harvesting with mechanical machines like the Jolly or Super Jolly Ford Work 4 harvesters. These machines can then easily collect the nuts from the swaths, further streamlining the harvest process. Novaxi Plant Tape. I'm particularly impressed by the speed of the Novaxi Plant Tape transplanter. Planting at 7 to 10 km/h with only 3 people for 5 rows is remarkable. This machine is a true labor saver for farmers. Kong Skilled GXT 14005P has a cutting width of 12 meters and a working speed of up to 15 km/h. The machine has a power requirement of 180-260 horsepower. The transport dimensions are 3.6 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, and 3.7 meters high. The machine weighs 4,200 kilograms. It is packed with innovative features that will make farmers' lives easier and more productive. KUHN FC3161 TC mower conditioner stands out with its gyrodiner swivel hitch for easy maneuverability and OptiDisc RR Elite Cutter Bar for low-maintenance cutting excellence. With working widths up to 14.05, it's engineered for fast, precise mowing and effective crop conditioning. The Fendt 1050 Vario leading this road train is a powerhouse. With a net engine output of 500 HP from its MAN 12.4L 6-cylinder diesel engine, it effortlessly handles heavy loads. The Kaweco Profi I-Series slurry tankers are built to adapt with changing needs and regulations. Featuring a modular setup, they effortlessly accommodate different applicators like dribble bars up to 15 mm wide. The galvanized zinc coating ensures long-term corrosion resistance, while the low center of gravity and sturdy construction enhance stability and maneuverability. The John Deere S680 combine harvester is designed for high performance and reliability. Its even max cleaning system reduces slope sensitivity, ensuring a thorough grain cleaning process. The ProDrive TM propulsion system adjusts to changing ground conditions, providing seamless operation. With a 14-100L grain tank and power folding extensions, the S680 offers extensive storage capacity and ease of use. The Lemken Solitaire 9 is your go-to pneumatic seed drill, offering flexibility with its folding and semi-mounted versions in 4 to 6 meter working widths. Perfect for solo use or in combination with tillage implements, it features adjustable 6-cell wheels in the central metering unit for seeding rates of 1.5 to 300 kRHA. The Solitronic system ensures seamless control, while the double disc coulters guarantee precise seed placement. With a width of 22.26 cm and a height of 2,708 meters, the Lintrac 130 combines power with precision. Straddle Tractor Alpo. The Alpo straddle tractor boasts a variable width from 95 to 200 cm, making it suitable for both narrow and wide vineyards. With a low center of gravity and the ability to tackle slopes up to 35%, it offers unmatched stability and safety in challenging terrains. Straddle Tractor Rauer Kesmack Reel Mower. This mower is perfect for large turf areas, boasting an impressive ability to mow up to 160 acres per day with just a 45 HP tractor. Its transportability is a standout feature, with fingertip hydraulic controls for easy lifting and narrow transport width. The scissor-like cut ensures healthy turf growth, and the mower's design follows field contours for an outstanding cut in any condition. Zones and a quick hitch system for rapid attachment changes, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Ideal for the challenging terrains of prestigious wine regions. 3X Ploger GP 1189. Wow, this 3X Ploger GP 1189 pea harvesting process is truly mesmerizing. It's amazing to see how this machine efficiently plucks, threshes, and cleans peas, all while minimizing damage to the plants. McHale 9N95 TSR Square. Boost your wrapping efficiency with the McHale 995 TSR Square Bale Wrapper, with the ability to wrap both round square bales and a working table speed of up to 30 rotations per minute. This machine is built for high output. The hydraulic cut and hold and quick fit 750mm dispensers make for smooth operation. Double Master 4. The Double Master 4-inch sets a new standard in harvesting dry beans and peanuts. Featuring a 108mm pickup width, adjustable threshing system with a 48 cm diameter beater, and a spacious 3,000 km bunker, this harvester ensures thorough cleaning and high-capacity harvesting. Hortec unveiled the benefits of the New Holland Clayson M140 combine harvester. Featuring an 85 HP engine and a generous 4.20 meter cutting width, it excels in harvesting efficiency. Equipped with a transport wagon for the cutter bar, this harvester is well maintained with good tires and a dependable engine, making it a valuable asset straight from the field to your farm. Enhance your onion harvesting efficiency with the Grimme G Zeeding 1700 DL1 trailed onion loader. With its wide 170mm web conveyor, dual web conveyors, and electric hydraulic control, it ensures smooth operation despite minor defects. Ideal for farmers seeking reliable performance in onion handling. Today, these tractors are rarely found in the fields, and it's almost impossible to see several of these tractors working at the same time. Gregoire GX 6 Mixta is the solution for super-intensive fruit harvesting, vines, almonds, olives, etc. This harvester, with its 190 HP Deutz engine, effortlessly tackles the toughest yields. The Pioclane hydrostatic four-wheel drive transmission ensures smooth and powerful operation. After wheat harvesting, the John Deere 7280R tackles soil preparation for soybean cultivation. With a robust John Deere PowerTech PVX engine delivering 280 HP from its 9-liter capacity, this tractor handles compacted ground and tracks with ease. Its JD Autopower CVT transmission offers precise speeds from 0.05 to 42 km/h, ensuring efficient soil management. Defoliating is an important part of cultivation. They lower growth, will take the nutrients first. You want everything that gets the most light to have the nutrients. Great work and smart. The Calderoni TSC is your go-to for versatile orchard maintenance. From mowing to weeding, its adaptable design meets every need. Equipped with a robust 194 support cylinder, height-adjustable slides, and options like hydraulic side extension, this machine ensures efficiency and precision. Lead-a-gang mowers are modular by design, so you can extend and reduce the total cutting width of the mower by adding and removing the relevant frames and cylinder units. That's a fine piece of kill. It has a wide area cut small HP tractor, not a pump in sight elegant. That's going to be close to the cost of the total vehicle. Oh my God. Carraro Super Tigre 5400 is a four-wheel drive tractor manufactured by Carraro from 2003 to 2009. It has a weight of 1.4 tons and is powered by an engine with a capacity of 35 kilowatts. The tractor has a transport length of 3.21 meters and a transport width of 1.19 meters. It also has a transport height of 2.09 meters. Need to clear a rocky field? The Bugnot 52 Stone Crusher is the solution you've been looking for. Its advanced crushing technology and durable construction make it the perfect machine for breaking down stones and preparing land. Whether you're a farmer or a landscaper, the Bugnot 52 helps you achieve smooth and efficient land clearing, ensuring top-notch results every time. Elevate your farming operations with the Fendt Favorite 924 row crop tractor. Boasting a robust Mayen 6.9L 6-cylinder diesel engine with 230 HP, this tractor delivers superior performance and efficiency. The 4x4 MFWD 4WD chassis and power steering enhance maneuverability and stability, while the wet disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. Puma 210. The Case IH Puma 210 tractor is equipped with a powerful diesel engine featuring 6 cylinders, a wastegate turbo, and an intercooler for enhanced performance. With a displacement capacity of 6,700 cm, This tractor meets Tier 3 emission standards, ensuring efficient operation. Murray Octa-Quad. This powerful system can transport up to 12 big round bales or 6 full-size square bales, mounted on any large tractor. With a rear multi-bale spike and a front multi-bale spike, it can clear fields quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic cylinders make operation smooth, ensuring that the bales are loaded securely. It's designed to handle any spraying task efficiently. Lindner Lintrac 130. Meet the Lindner Lintrac 130, Lindner's most powerful tractor yet. Featuring a Perkins Synchro 904J E36TA engine with 136 HP and 550 Nm of torque, this machine is ready for any challenge. The TMT 11.2 continuously variable transmission and rear PTO with multiple speed options ensure versatility and high performance. The Cocan 600T is a self-propelled rear-load harvester with an aim to bring you berries at a hand-picking level. It is based on unique and proven Cocan airberry harvesting technology, along with a wide range of other features that harvest blueberries for fresh market and other berries for IQF. The Euro 6 Walnut Harvester packs big performance in a compact size. Designed for harvesting nuts and dried fruits on up to 5 hectares, it combines simplicity with efficiency. Easy maneuverability and good visibility make it a standout choice for orchard owners. The tractor hoeing machine is more than just a piece of equipment, it's a farmer's best friend. Seeing it work the fields with such precision and speed was a sight to behold. It's equipped with advanced features that not only save time, but also reduce labor costs significantly. Its high efficiency in tilling and soil preparation ensures optimal conditions for crop growth, all while maintaining ease of use and reliability. The ASA Lift TRS 1700 demonstrates reliable performance in carrot harvesting. With its 1.7 meter working width and specialized halm topping capabilities, it ensures top quality crop yield. Step up your weeding game with the Asher-Rodri Ultra Q. This inter-row weeding machine features a unique rake system that glides through crop rows, expertly pulling out small weeds. Maybe shouldn't be in the field if it's that wet. The COE C7E shaker pairs with a COE L2 receiver to form a catching frame set that can harvest fruit, nut, olives, and other various crops. Its versatile deck design allows it to work in multiple tree spacings efficiently. The Scout TE504 is a powerhouse with a semi-cabin, designed to meet the demanding needs of modern agriculture. This robust machine combines advanced features with exceptional performance, making it an ideal choice for farmers seeking reliability and efficiency. Gregoire GL7.4. The GL7.4 harvester stands out with its Deutz 4-cylinder, 160 HP engine that meets the latest emission standards. The hydrostatic transmission with Pioclane 2-speed wheel-drive motors enhances traction and crossing capabilities, making it perfect for challenging terrains. With automatic engine RPM management, the GL7.4 ensures optimal fuel consumption and performance. The Case IH Puma 210 tractor is equipped with a powerful diesel engine featuring 6 cylinders, a wastegate turbo, and an intercooler for enhanced performance. With a displacement capacity of 6,700 cm3, this tractor meets Tier 3 emission standards, ensuring efficient operation while delivering robust power and reliability for agricultural tasks. Challenger Rogator RG645C. Sprayer is a beast in the field. With its 208 HP engine, adjustable wheelbase, and impressive 5,000 L chemical tank, it's designed to handle any spraying task efficiently. Lindner Lintrac 130, Lindner's most powerful tractor yet. Featuring a Perkins Synchro 904J E36TA engine with 136 HP and 550 Nm of torque, this machine is ready for any challenge. The TMT 11.2 continuously variable transmission and rear PTO with multiple speed options ensure versatility and high performance. With a width of 22 mm 26 cm and a height of 2,700 mm, the Lintrac 130 combines power with precision. Straddle Tractor Alpo. It boasts a variable width from 95 to 200 cm, making it suitable for both narrow and wide vineyards. With a low center of gravity and the ability to tackle slopes up to 35%, it offers unmatched stability and safety in challenging terrains. Holland Straddle Tractor TE6 range, including the TE6 1120N and TE6.150N, brings innovation to narrow vineyards. Equipped with F36 engines, 86 kW and 105 kW, these tractors offer superior weight distribution and visibility. Their multifunctional design includes 3 independent tool zones and a quick hitch system for rapid attachment changes, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Ideal for the challenging terrains of prestigious wine regions. "3X Ploger GP 1189. Wow, this 3X Ploger GP 1189 pea harvesting process is truly mesmerizing. It's amazing to see how this machine efficiently plucks, threshes, and cleans peas, all while minimizing damage to the plants. Mikhail 9N95 TSR Square. Boost your wrapping efficiency with the McHale 995 TSR square bale wrapper. With the ability to wrap both round and square bales and a working table speed of up to 30 rotations per minute, this machine is built for high output. The hydraulic cut and hold and quick fit 750mm dispensers make for smooth operation. Gregoire EcoProtect L3 can treat 3 full rows. It represents a productive and eco-responsible alternative for wine growers and contractors concerned with performance and efficiency. Gregoire EcoProtect L3 features a compact, ergonomic 2500L monoblock chassis tank assembly. Effective tank mixing is ensured by a hydro injector. The John Deere 6150R with pink planter from Maliflower makes planting tulip bulbs look effortless. Working in a 150 cm wide bed, this tractor equipped with Susi tracks offers superb stability and precision. This combination not only boosts productivity, but also ensures perfect bulb placement, showcasing the power of advanced agricultural technology. The DT-75 is a Soviet-era crawler tractor, renowned for its power and versatility. Manufactured by the Volgograd tractor plant, it's the most widely produced crawler tractor in the Soviet Union, with over 2.7 million units. With dimensions of 3860mm L, x 1750mm W, x 2254mm H, it features a 55 kilowatt diesel engine and a 245-liter fuel tank. This tractor is built for heavy agricultural tasks, offering reliable performance and durability in various conditions. The Massey 9980 is designed for superior performance with an engine capacity of up to 265 HP. Its electronically controlled hydraulic drives enhance power delivery to the header drive systems, improving efficiency and productivity. The TYM T104 is a 110 HP, full-size utility tractor. It offers a number of premium features at a competitive price, including electronic D-clutch, buddy seat, third function, self-leveling loader, air ride seat. The Karmaz OTW2 fruit tree shaker is the ultimate productivity booster for any orchard. With its large collection tarp, conveyor belt, and leaf blower, it streamlines the harvesting process. The hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, while the machine's robust design handles tough conditions. Investing in this machine means more efficient harvesting, better fruit quality, and higher yields. The Bernie Bale Safe Trailer is a farmer's best friend. Not only does it securely hold bales and other loads, but its design also saves significant time and reduces the number of trips to the field. Ideal for cutting fuel costs and emissions, it's a smart investment for sustainable agriculture. The RT400MG is a screw leveler that attaches to the three-point linkage of the tractor. Screw levelers are designed for clearing bogs and maintaining existing peat production strips in autumn. In addition, the RT400MG can be used to level peat from ditches. The attachment frame can be rotated, enabling the implement to be used when driving either forwards or in reverse. Automatic cabbage harvester development of automatic cabbage harvesting machine advances in Chicago. Cutting-edge technology reduces agricultural labor. The NUHN 9000 tank is a marvel in precision and efficiency. Its ability to navigate through 30 high corn without touching the crop is simply impressive. Seen in action applying 12,000 GPa of dairy manure at 5 mph, it ensures optimal coverage and minimal waste across 1,200 gallon fields. The fold-forward injector bar, spanning 12 rows, and section control for precise application make it a standout choice for modern farming. Operating costs are slashed with the Alpo electric tractor, costing just $1 for a full charge. It runs for 8 hours on a single charge and recharges in under 2 hours, 6 times more cost-effective than its thermal counterparts. The SPP iMac potato digger lifter with rear discharge combines power with practicality. Designed for ease of use and maximum yield, it handles potato harvesting with finesse. The rear discharge feature enhances efficiency, ensuring smooth operations from field to storage. The morning sun rose higher, and the fields echoed with the hum of tractors and the rustle of hay. The Super Move 10 showcased its strength. With a tare weight of 6,500 kilos and fully equipped at 6,950 kilo, it hauled bale after bale without a hitch. The New Holland T4.115 sets a new standard in utility tractors. Its rugged build and efficient FPT engine make it a reliable partner for any farm operation. The two-post ROPS design ensures safety, with options like the FOPS canopy providing additional peace of mind. Impressed by the agility of the AEBT P48, its compact dimensions, transport length of 4.5 meters, width of 2.1 meter, and height of 2.21 make it versatile for various applications. The 2-meter bridge length ensures stability during operations, enhancing safety and productivity in every job. The Claas Voltafieno 45 is here to revolutionize your hay handling process. With an impressive working width of 4.50 meters, this tedder makes covering large fields a breeze. Equipped with 4 rotors, each with a diameter of 1,500 millimeters, it ensures efficient and thorough tedding. Discovering the Trilo M4 vacuum trailer was eye-opening. Its ability to clear leaves, sweep streets, and collect waste with precision showcases its adaptability and efficiency. Powered by 3590 HP, it's designed for durability with replaceable wear plates, ensuring long-term reliability in any environment. The Stoll V202 sugar beet harvester is built for performance. Its powerful 4-cylinder diesel engine, operating at 6,000 RPM, ensures smooth operation and maximum efficiency in the field. Perfect for harvesting sugar beets with precision and speed. The Shilltrack 2068 SZF sets a new standard in versatility and comfort. With a sturdy Deutz 82 PS engine and a well-equipped cabin featuring heating indoors, it ensures operators can work in comfort year-round. The combination of robust design and advanced features makes it a top choice for demanding environments. The John Deere 30 is a standout in the new generation series, produced from 1964 to 1972. With a 71 HP engine and a 29-gallon fuel capacity, this tractor delivers reliable performance. Available in gasoline, diesel, and LP gas, it caters to diverse farming requirements. The 90-inch wheelbase provides excellent stability, making it ideal for various agricultural tasks. The XR700 finish mower combines a 132 cutting width with 721 flex decks for precision and efficiency. Ideal for golf courses and commercial landscapes, it offers superior cut quality with minimal maintenance. Built in the USA, the XR700 is a cost-effective alternative to self-contained mowers, ensuring top-notch performance in even the toughest conditions. The Zetor 7711 is a reliable 2WD tractor equipped with a robust 3.L 4-cylinder diesel engine. Ideal for agricultural tasks, this tractor combines power with efficiency. With a generous 18.5-gallon fuel tank, it ensures long hours of uninterrupted operation. Discover how the Zetor 7711 simplifies farm work with its durable build and straightforward design, making it a trusted companion in the field. Equipm fans VA2 and VA2 Plus make harvesting easier by blowing produce into windrows, piles, or rows on the ground, making it convenient for both trailed and self-propelled harvesters. These fans can connect to a tractor's power outlet. The VA2 Plus RV model features direct ventilation that moves produce from between the rows to the row center without operator assistance. In the new RV version, you can choose the direction to move the produce, either right or left, relative to the tractor's travel direction. The VA2 model uses fan-generated air to move produce that has fallen to the ground, such as walnuts, chestnuts, hazelnuts, and almonds. It utilizes 1 or 2 flexible pipes, 120 millimeters in diameter, that are manually maneuvered by operators. The Hoover Crab, a pinnacle of agricultural innovation. This machine is crafted for meticulous crop residue cleaning with features like a side-shifting cutting bar and 4 steering wheels for unparalleled control. Its oversized waste bin, capable of lifting up to 200 milliliters, simplifies residue disposal directly onto trailers. The Volentieri Pelling Diamant 9056 redefines precision in viticulture. Its dual stainless steel tanks, resembling gleaming diamonds, effortlessly harvest and preserve grape nectar. Designed with meticulous attention to mechanical and functional constraints, this machine embodies innovation and efficiency. Wood's TBW 1220. Forget fiddling with tools for maintenance. The Wood's TBW 12.20 lets you access its insides with just your bare hands, saving you precious time. Cotton harvesters are a monster. Trilo VCU 150-200. Enhance your turf management with the Trilo VCU 150-200. Featuring adjustable height settings and precision 3mm knives, it efficiently removes old grass layers to stimulate healthy root growth. Land Pride AFM 400168. This powerhouse of Land Pride, AFM 400168 mower is perfect for those large-scale mowing tasks, delivering a pristine cut every time. With a 15-foot cutting width, this batwing mower covers more ground in less time. Its batwing design allows for easy navigation around obstacles and uneven terrain. Hortec DU Automatic. Enhance your farming efficiency with the Hortec DU Automatic. Works seamlessly with 3R3, 4-4, and 5x5 square soil blocks, offering versatility for different crops. Maintains a consistent planting depth for all seedlings, regardless of ground irregularities, leading to even growth. Allows for easy integration with tractors for efficient field operations. The VariaFlame is a testament to innovation in agriculture. Its ability to selectively treat weeds and diseases with high-temperature flames while preserving plant health underscores its practicality and environmental benefits, an essential tool for modern fruit and wine growers. The New Holland 216 twin rake is engineered for durability and performance. Features like rubber dynatines for long life and easy maintenance, along with a robust frame design, underscore its reliability in the field. A must-have for farmers looking to streamline hay raking operations. The Solus SL-RB Durona 8 baler is a compact powerhouse. With its 80 cm working width and ability to produce up to 120 rolls per hour, it's perfect for small to medium-sized farms. Whether you opt for manual or automatic bale ejection, its central chain lubrication system ensures smooth operation and reliability. Horschlied PT 270 36M 8,000-liter PT 270 sprayer is powered by a 270 HP Deutz engine, which drives through a mechanical transmission. Include pneumatic nozzle control and the option to have single, double, or quadruple bodies with 50 cm or 25 cm spacing. The Case IH-MX 120 is a classic powerhouse. With its Cummins CDC 5.9L 6-cylinder diesel engine delivering 120 HP, it's built for robust performance in the field. Features like electrically actuated differential lock and power steering ensure excellent maneuverability and control. Quantum Mist Kiwi Sprayer, Kiwiliner. The most compact sprayer on the market, the Kiwiliner delivers the ultimate coverage and air droplet control with the purpose-built 820 front entry Fiani fan. The Medema 230 trailer is a beast in the field. With a massive capacity of 22.4 mm3 and a load capacity of 24,000 kN, it's built for heavy-duty hauling. Features like hydraulic suspension, electronic, hydraulic force steering, and hydraulic braking on all wheels ensure smooth operation and control. The MegaSquirt Air Blast Sprayer is a 200-gallon engine-driven sprayer designed to be pulled by small-tow vehicles that might not have a PTO output, such as UTVs and RTVs. Its compact design helps it fit in tight row spacings, and the optional walking beam axles can help prevent ground compaction. The Monchero VL08 shaker is engineered for precision. Its high-frequency vibrating head and thoughtful design features ensure minimal fruit damage and maximum yield. A must-have for anyone looking to streamline orchard operations with state-of-the-art equipment. Weighing in at 990 Q and measuring 8.0 mm in length, the Edenhall 7.5 is designed for efficiency and power. Its 3.9 meter transport width and 12-ton tank capacity make it a formidable machine in the field. With an adjustable unloading height of 2.0 to 4.0 m, it's perfect for various farming operations. Pair it with a tractor of at least 180 HP for optimal performance and see the difference in your productivity. Experience efficiency like never before with the Rose Royer. This machine boasts Walter-Scheid PTO, pink hard facing on auger plates, and a closed upper conveyor belt for seamless harvesting. Its pink innovation double row control system ensures consistent performance, while automatic depth and leveling adjustments optimize field operations. With dual wheel drive from Tractor Oil and a convenient K80 tow hitch, it's designed for maximum productivity. Discover the efficiency of the 991 AirSep Potato Eliminator. Engineered with cutting-edge air separation tech, this machine excels at removing stones, dirt, and debris from harvested potatoes. Ensuring a cleaner, more uniform crop, it's ideal for improving potato quality and minimizing manual sorting on the farm. See how it can optimize your harvest operations now. The Kun Axios 20.2 is a game changer in precision fertilizer spreading. This machine isn't just about efficiency, it's about precision and ease of use. With its Quantron A controller and speed servo electric motors, it ensures accurate spreading without the need for a high-tech tractor setup. Ideal for small to medium farms, it saves time and effort while boosting productivity. Witnessing the EZ Hall EZH40 house bale trailer in action was truly eye-opening. Its robust build and hide dump capability make loading and unloading bales a breeze. This trailer not only saves time, but also ensures the safety of the harvested crops during transport. A practical investment for any farmer aiming to achieve efficiency without compromising on quality. Discover the Carlotti KMC 1450, a reliable choice for agricultural plowing tasks. Its Kraft Heber coupling enables easy attachment to tractors, while the two side rollers ensure smooth operation. Featuring 8 plows and adjustable cutting discs, it offers precise soil preparation. The inline discharge mechanism facilitates efficient operation, covering an area of approximately 2 hectares. Agron Solus 90, sweeping with Agron double blower. Remote control lawnmower. Mowing the lawn is now like playing with a toy. Tractor trailer Roteco Duran 14 HP series. Powered by a robust 5.1-17cc Hatch engine delivering 14 HP, this professional-grade machine exceeds expectations. Choose your ideal tiller width from 65 to 100 centimeters to suit your farming needs perfectly. Hakko City Master 600. Just look at the specs on this City Master 600 industrial sweeper and vacuum cleaner. It has a 41L hopper capacity, a 4-cylinder diesel engine, a working speed of 0 to 40 km/h, a reverse speed of 0 to 12 km/h, a length of 31.20 cm, and a width of 10.75 mm. This machine is built for power and performance. With its impressive specs, it can handle any cleaning job you throw at it. The 44 Iron Rhino flail mower mounted on the powerful IR 1000 with a Perkins diesel engine. This combination delivers unmatched mowing efficiency and reliability. Whether tackling tough vegetation or maintaining large fields, this setup ensures smooth operation and superior performance. The double spall is an incredibly versatile tool, featuring both rear and front frames with a 3-point coupling. Its hydraulic widening system simultaneously opens both the right and left sides up to 50 cm or 40 cm, and it includes a mechanical adjustment for work height. With hydraulic chute removers powered by 2 quick couplings, it operates efficiently with a flow range of 25-35 LT/m.